Have you ever wondered how a mechanic knows the perfect oil to petrol mix for an engine? Or how a sports commentator instantly rattles off a team's win-loss stats? They're using a secret language that runs the world, not just a math class. It's the language of ratios. Think about fairness in business. Alice puts in $20 to a lemonade stand, and Bob puts in $30. Their investment ratio is 2 to 3. So when they make $100 profit, they share it the same way. Alice gets 40 and Bob gets 60. The reward is proportional to the risk. This same principle applies to science. A bottle of floor cleaner might say to mix 1 part concentrate to 9 parts water. Change that ratio, and you could end up with a dangerously slippery floor. Ratios ensure consistency and safety, getting the balance just right. They also measure performance and power. A football team wins 15 games and loses 5. That's a 15 to 5 ratio. But if you simplify it, you get 3 to 1. Now you can clearly say, for every 3 wins, we had 1 loss. It's a powerful snapshot of their season. This idea translates directly to mechanics. On a bicycle, a gear ratio of 4 to 1 means for every 1 time you pedal, the back wheel turns 4 times. This is your effort being converted directly into speed. A high gear gives you speed, but a low gear gives you the raw power to climb a hill. The ratio dictates the outcome. So from sharing profits fairly to calculating a team's success, or even just climbing a steep hill, ratios are the invisible rules that govern our world. They define the relationship between effort and result, risk and reward. Once you start looking, you'll see them everywhere.